Who's that from?
From Shelton. And she didn't have time to run
You
out
shall tell her.
and grab a
Just,
okay.
it'll be a surprise.
Okay.
She bought you a car.
She's so funny. She put white out on there.
Well, she had already signed it, Lori S. And she was like,
Oh, she's so sweet. Thank you, Lori.
But show your card. It's a Christmas card.
Merry Christmas.
Merry graduation this.
actually, that's kind of what she put. Was Merry Congrats.
That's funny.
Wow.
I reckon up.
Okay. You're really racking up with Dana. You know.
This
the
is
Dana.
Dana's.
Hang on a
Hello,
second.
Dana.
Hang on a second.